Guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. It is Violet here, and in today's video is a relocation vlog. I'm relocating from my sister's place to my workplace. Yes, I want to be living in my workplace now because it is easier for me to go to work from there. And this is me packing my bag. Guys, I'm so sorry because we don't have lights, so I have to make use of my phone torchlight to make this video. So this is me packing my bag. I just want you guys to pack with me to my workplace. Okay, so let's continue the pack. Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So guys, I told you all that I'm packing from my sister's place, from my cousin sister's place to my workplace. Yes, I am there now. I'm in my workplace now. I came here. Look at how my hair is looking. I came here Saturday night and today is Monday, so this is my day 2 of living here. Yeah, so guys, let me just give you guys a tour of the room. It is a very scattered room. Okay, disclaimer, this room, in short, I'm not doing a tour any longer. I'm not, okay, because other people are living here, other people's stuffs are here, so I don't want to give a tour of it. Okay, I've said to respect their privacy. So now guys, I just finished taking my bath and I want to go out. I'm going somewhere this morning. I want to go and upload my WAEC results to Jam Portal. That is what I am going to be doing, and when I come back I might make my friend's hair, my colleague's hair. Then after that, I think work time will get to work time, then I will go to work. So guys, let me go and come back. Okay, so guys, this is me at the cyber cafe that I went to upload my WAEC results to Jam Portal. I'm just sitting down and waiting for my turn. I came very early, so they haven't due to their system, so I was asked to wait for them to get ready for the stuff I came to do. So that's just me. I decided to just film myself. Hi guys, so I'm back after some hours later, and this is the colleague. I want to make her hair. She has a very thick, falsy, natural hair. So this is the hair I'm going to be working on. Her hair is really short and I want to make mini twist on her hair. I know the mini twist is not going to last longer. I wanted to make mini braids, but she decided that I make mini twist on her. So that is what I'll be doing. Go and smile. Show your face and smile for the camera. So guys, let's get started and see how well and fine the hair is gonna come out. Okay, this is how far I have come. You see, this is the look of the hair. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this hair? I love it because it is very neat. I'm going to be braiding this side and this side. I'll be braiding these 2 parts. So I only have this area to work on, just this area. So guys, let me finish it up and show you guys the final look, okay? Hi guys, so this is several days later. I tried to cut my nails because they have grown really long and I don't like the way they are looking, so I like to cut them. So this is what they are looking like. It's not dainty, but I don't want my nails long. This is the before look. These are my nails. Hello guys, so this is the after look. I'm done cutting them and this is what they're looking like. I really love them like this. I really love them short and neat. I don't like long nails. Even if I want to paint my nails, I'll paint them now that they are short. I don't like carrying my nails long because I feel they don't look nice. So this is it. This is me showing you guys my toes. Hello guys, so here I'm showing you guys what the night looks like in my workplace. Okay, so this is me at night, and this is the baby girl I met in my workplace. Yes, we are just vibing and dancing to the music that was playing, so you have to listen to what this guy is saying here. So guys, if you have watched up to this extent and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell, leave a comment in the comment section to encourage me. Thanks so much for watching to the end. See you in my next video. Bye. Love you all.